grow your hair quickly and safely, in just 10 days, thanks to this trick of Nicaragua. Who does not like to wear long, healthy hair? In today's video we propose 2 impressive shakes. 1. Banana smoothie and strawberries. We recommend this shake especially to those who have dry hair or skin and those who want to enhance the growth of hair and nails. 1. Banana. Banana is rich in vitamin A and also combines very well in smoothies thanks to its sweetness. 2. Strawberries. This fruit is one of the most complete, so you should not miss in our food. 3. Milk. Milk is a good source of vitamin A if we digest it well. If not, we can replace it with a yogurt or a vegetable drink. Amounts for 2 people or 2 servings, 2 bananas peeled and grated, 100 grams of ripe strawberries, 1 glass of milk, 1 yogurt or a glass of vegetable drink. 2. Sesame milkshake. In this shake we will prioritize foods rich in micronutrients that favor hair growth. 1. Sesame. This cereal is an important source of silicon, 595 milligrams per 100 grams, and is also an excellent breakfast, very nutritious and satiating. 2. Apple. One of the fruits richest in silicon, which will also add sweetness to the smoothie. 3. Magnesium carbonate. This supplement, essential in any natural treatment for the skin or hair, has a high content of silicon. Amounts for 2 people or rations, 2 tablespoons of sesame soaked for 2 hours or a glass of sesame milk. 2 ripe apples. If we have used sesame in flakes, then we will also add 150 milliliters of water.